A group of Baltimore County families are fighting to get schools back open for students. They held a rally yesterday in Towson calling for transparency from Baltimore County Public Schools and a safe plan for returning back to school. WMAR 2 News' Abby Isaacs joins us from school headquarters in Towson to explain the ongoing fight.
The group of parents, students, and stakeholders say the long-term devastating effects of virtual learning outweigh the potential health risks associated with going back into the classroom, of course, with the proper safety precautions.
You could tell immediately that things just weren't working.
It's been almost a year since students moved to a completely virtual school model, and the negative impacts are evident for the Cammer family.
As a composite group of boys, they've gone from like a middle high B performer overall as an average to a D if we're lucky.
The 4 boys between grades 4 and 9 are more than ready to go back into school.
I feel like if we go back, we'll just have a higher chance of performing better in academics.
They've joined a growing group of Baltimore County families calling for in-person learning to be an option.
We deserve the choice. We deserve a choice.
The group Reopen Baltimore County Public Schools held a rally over the weekend, asking for the school system to be transparent about their return to school plans because the long-term effects of virtual learning can be devastating, not just on academics, but social isolation and depression are taking their toll.
The experience with online school has just been terrible.
Baltimore County Public Schools says they're continuing to work very hard to reopen schools as soon as possible and consistent with the state health metrics for reopening as safely as possible. The county's recovery plan states a hybrid model could be introduced in February if health metrics allow. The group believes the county could be ready now.
I'm a nurse, and I've seen firsthand what this virus does to patients, and I understand how important it is to be safe. And I think if the county took the appropriate precautions the way the private schools have done, and the kids wear masks and they wash their hands and they stay 6 feet apart, I think they'll be safe.
This virus isn't going anywhere anytime soon, so we're gonna need to learn how to live with it.
We have more information about the grassroots group as well as the county's current recovery plan on our website, WMAR2news.com. In Towson, Abby Isaacs, WMAR2 News.